The next feature is inventory. So here we have stock receipts, stock returns, and suppliers. Right. So to be able to create stock receipts and stock returns, you need to add a supplier where you source out your products from. So here you go through the process of clicking on this button, add a supplier. So here you can type the supplier's name, or probably like the name of the supplier's business. Um, so you can come up with any brand name. For I'll use Fix Notify for this, and the name of the supplier is Abina Mensa. Now here you would need to enter the supplier's email. Here you need to select the the country code of the supplier, either Nigeria, Ghana, and you add the phone number of the supplier. So it's either the email or phone number. They're actually both optional, right? So you can go through that. Here you add the address of the supplier, right? So um, here you type the city and enter the country. Yeah, you can add additional, and here you can toggle this button if it's an active supplier. So this is an active, so we add the supplier here. Right, so currently we have um, Fix Notify supply over here. Now let's create a stock receipt. Right, so you create a stock receipt. This to be able to create this shows you are receiving this inventory for a particular product on your system, right? So here you can either enter the name of the supplier, or there's a supplier business, Fix Notify, or you can just select here and click on this. So now it's populates over here, and you select that supplier. You can add additional notes to it. So now you can add the item you are receiving from the supplier, right? So let's say I'm receiving notebooks. I can search for it. Since you have this already, you have 49 stocks available. So since you have this product uploaded on your all product section, it will populate over here. Now I'm receiving additional 20 from my supplier, right? So this is the current unit cost per one item um, on the platform. If the price has increased or decreased, you can also update the unit cost over here. Since we are maintaining the same 8 CDs, Ghana CDs, we'll maintain it like that. So you click on add, right? So now here shows you are adding additional 20 items, or probably you are receiving additional 20 items from that supplier. So here you get to see the total cost, right? So you click on confirm and update. So now the supplier will receive an email or an SMS that you've received from them, Fix Notify, right? So here you get to see the ID as well, the date you received that stock, right? So same as the stock return, if a stock is faulty, you can come back here and select that supplier. You state a reason for it, maybe defective items, right? You add an additional note, and you come back here to select that stock. So I want to resubmit the stocks I received. So Fix Notify, notebook. So notebook A5. I want to return only 10 of them, right? So you add it over here and you confirm and deduct. So now this would deduct from the stocks that you have. So if we should come back to all products here, and we look for notebook, right? So now here shows the actual stocks now. So here shows the recent activity. So when we come here, we see we are received 20 earlier, and now we've returned 10, right? So here you get to see the recent activity and the stock movement of this particular product, right? So here's how the inventory works. So we have stock receipts, stock return, and adding a supplier to be able to create these two. Yeah, so